Getting into an accident can be a stressful or even terrifying event, especially if you don't know the steps to take after the accident. So first step, make sure everyone is okay, and if there are any injuries, dial 911. If everyone is okay in the vehicles, take a quick picture of the accident scene with your phone or camera so that you have documentation for later on with the insurance company. From here, if you can, move your vehicle to a safe location out of traffic. Next, exchange information with the other driver, making sure that you get all of his contact information, driver's license, and license plate numbers. Finally, give the Bennett Dunlop Collision Center a call at 306-522-6612, and we'll help you through the entire collision claim process. Here at the Bennett Dunlop Collision Center, we can repair all makes and models of vehicles. Our highly trained technicians and modern equipment and facility assure you of the fastest repair of the highest quality. No one plans to get into an accident, but if one happens, remember, Bennett Dunlop Collision Center is here to help.